Alright guys, so what is good? We just took another trade. We literally just entered a trade in GBP, USD, and we went into longs. Do I seem crazy? No. I mean, maybe I am, but we'll see what happens. So, we entered into longs. We low-key had some mad news, and that's this kind of reaction right here. We went full down, made a big, like, extension down, and it was, like, crazy. But now I'm catching the reversal, so let's hope we go up and hit all my take profits, obviously. But let's go through it, and yeah. Coming into the day, we are very bearish right now, like just on the daily, but we haven't broke structure or anything. It looks like we might just sweep everything out. I don't know. Something like that. We might still push down, but again, we'll see what happens. So yeah, coming into the day, we're a little bit bearish. We're very bearish, honestly. 4 hourly, we didn't break structure. We went down like a shit ton. We probably are gonna break structure, let's be honest. I mean, we might not, somehow, might have to come back all the way up. But yeah, we're most likely gonna break structure here, which is okay, because I'm trying to catch the retrace of it. But the kind of reversal for sure. We took out low resistance liquidity. I'll mark that out real quick for you guys. 1, 2, and 3. I'll show you guys that in the lower time frame. 4. We also took out this. So we just filled so much orders. Geez, my charts look so messed up right now. I can delete these actually. That was if I was gonna go for shorts. Anywho's, geez, my charts are messy. Coming into the hourly now, this will make sense a little bit more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Low resistance liquidity. This is just mad liquidity. These two are low resistance. This is not really, doesn't count because we swept that out already. We got some kind of resistance here. Support. More support, but that doesn't really matter. Fuck support and shit. That's like for not the trading things I do, but it's just a little useful thing. 30-minute. Well, these are like the things that like we're gonna catch the reversal. So we swept this out, and yeah, we're gonna catch the big reversal. Maybe it's just a 4-hour retrace. So I don't have my take profit too high. We might push into this 5-minute order block. I'll quickly show you. But that's what I'm like low-key thinking, and I have it down here because we are pretty bearish, and I reckon we might just start going like full down on like the higher time frames. So I would put it here, but I'm not too sure because this was kind of news, and price is definitely gonna recoup for real. Maybe it will hit like equilibrium and roll down, but I'm not too sure. So we just gotta stay patient. I might move it. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Price is gone. So yeah, 15-minute, nothing, same thing. 30-minute, same thing. So we waited, and oh my gosh, mad stuttering. But I've low-key been like waiting for these two areas of liquidity to be swept. On the 4-hourly, especially, I've waited a long time. I remember I was like up here, and I was like calling that we're gonna sweep out this liquidity eventually, because why wouldn't we? These market makers want money. They know they're gonna get their money, and we also ended up sweeping out this. So, you know, everyone's greedy and hungry, but that's why we're here to beat the system, and you know, we go with them, not against them. So, yeah, we entered off of sweeping out this last ball of liquidity, drawn liquidity, and then on the 5-minute, I'll show you my entry. So I'm thinking of doing a new strategy. I'll let you guys know. It's literally like TGR's new strategy. I'm not some glazer. You want to call me some meat rider? Like I full just. I'm not doing that again. But you want to call me that? I don't do that. It's low-key good strategy. I mean, it's TGR. What do you expect? But anyways, I'm gonna quickly get rid of this. Hold on. Just give me a sec. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not like just gonna. You know, like, just let me explain. His new strategy is a risk, like more risk on strategy, but it's not, because you're risking a certain amount, but it's like the same amount if you're entering 2 trades. One is more risky, but way more profits, and the second, I'm not gonna get deep into that, but I'll explain it later. I'll probably show you guys it, and I'm definitely gonna hit it up because I would have been right now on like $50 profit, I think. Oh, I'm just gonna. My pip value is $1.60, so let's have a look. I've been like around $36 in profit. So you know what I'm saying? Like, it's way better. I would have made 36, and then I would have entered here, which is my more safe thing, risking the same amount, but entering here, and yeah, anyways. So we entered off of a 5-minute disrespect in this gap. We entered from this 5-minute break of structure, so nice. We didn't really have anything to go off reactions, like, I don't know. We have our stop loss at equal lows, just in case. But coming into the 1 minute, yeah, we entered, we went down, price manipulated. I think we took this out from the spread, but that's chill. And then we went up, broke structure. We already broke structure like here or something. And then, yeah, we came up, kind of barely filled this gap, went up, and then that's when I entered. So, I don't know, I'm going to quickly, like, edit this. This is annoying me. Bang. That's literally perfect. So, yeah, pretty perfect trade. I mean, gee willikers, we're rallying, and I'm not trying to be greedy, but I mean, I reckon low-key, we're gonna, like, go mad up. So what I'm gonna do is, maybe I'll regret this decision, but might be my third take profit, and this is gonna be locking in partial profits. So that's what I'm gonna do. We'll have my final take profit at this order block at the top of this gap. Jeez, this is a big trade. Yeah. I probably am wrong on this, but I don't know. I really... It doesn't matter what I feel. How much is this, bro? No, because I'd rather take in... It's a 1 to 4 risk reward. Jeez. That's pretty high, but I'm, like, very confident on this trade. Doesn't matter, though. It's really what price does. If I, like, kind of... I mean, I don't know. In the 1 hour... I feel like... that we're going to recover. That's what I'm really thinking. We're just going to go up more. Maybe take out this liquidity. I don't know. But I'm reckoning more. We're going to go up. And honestly, our final take profit, which would have been here, will just be partial profits. Like, probably like right here. I'll be very safe with it. Because... Or maybe like, I don't know. My first take profit, which would be... I'm just going to check real quick. $30. Anyways. Yeah, I also, by the way, for this trade... My stop loss is $26, but it's like the same pip amount. I put more money in, so I put 11,000 units, which is a lot more than I would usually do. It's 1,000 more, which the reasoning why is because we're catching this move up, and I'm not trying to go way too much to the point where I can get stopped out by a wick, but you know what I mean. So, yeah, pretty nice, but that's kind of really it. That's like what I was kind of thinking. Yeah, so... Hopefully we do hit my final take profit. I don't know, we might not, we might. But that's $100, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. And I'll definitely let you guys know tomorrow if I won. Yesterday's trade, ooh, that was not good. We kind of lost that shit. I'll show you guys. And I'm starting to low-key realize we came up and we swept liquidity right here. And rallied down and got stopped out at break even. No, was it break even? It was $5. That's what it was, because I moved it because we had our first take profit. So kind of annoying, and we ended up rallying down, and look what we are doing now. And nice, we're going up. We might hit my first take profit, but that's gonna wrap it up for today. Yeah. Anyways, sorry. That was like random. I entered a lot more later because I was very patient. I had to wait. So we waited an hour before we could enter the trade. And low-key, one of my problems have been recently, I feel like, is being more patient, because I've been getting, I don't know, I'm kind of like forgetting some things that I have like been doing. And I feel like that's why I'm losing. So I'm looking more back in. I gotta like learn, and yeah. I'm gonna stop my yap. Like, just leave. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Laters, guys.